legal issues associated with parenthood and family care obligations, the first thing that comes to mind may be family and medical leave, or perhaps disability discrimination and accommodation. But it's important to be mindful of other risks of discrimination. For example, FRD stands for Family Responsibilities Discrimination. It's a term for workplace discrimination based on your family care obligations, such as parenthood. Comparing the decade beginning in the mid-1990s to the decade beginning in the mid-2000s, claims are up 256%. Also, state and local jurisdictions, such as Alaska and the District of Columbia, are increasingly recognizing family responsibilities as a protected category. There are a number of different things that may rise to the level of FRD. For example, refusing to hire or promote based on plans to have children, offering poor terms and conditions of employment, often called the mommy track, that may include lower pay, limited hours, or no possibility of advancement, terminating employees based on their family care obligations, and also sex stereotyping. For example, a maternal wall bias, which is to say discrimination on the basis of motherhood alone. So what are some things employers can do to avoid family responsibility discrimination? Supervisor training about making assumptions about caregivers and how those assumptions could damage the business. Training should emphasize that caregivers can be male employees as well as female, and it should feature working on avoiding unconscious bias. Personnel policies also should be a top priority. They should be written so as not to unduly burden caregivers and should promote uniform application. Also, HR should be trained to properly respond and promptly respond to FRD complaints. Also, we should create a culture that supports caregivers and upholds requirements of state and local law.